How's it going, everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks, we've got another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, make sure to drop a like, and if you want to stay up to date with our inventory, the best way to do that is through subscribing and looking at our website. Without further ado, here's today's truck. This is a 2020 International MV607 with a ramp. It's a 26-foot box truck. This box truck has air brakes. It's air suspension. This is what the bottom chassis looks like. Tires are in great condition, as you can tell. Look at those. The tread is amazing. It has mud flaps. This is the part where our air suspension's at. Coming around the back, we have our ramp, and it's fully equipped with a tow hitch. That way you guys are able to haul and carry stuff. This is what it looks like open. As you can see, this is what the ramp looks like. The box height is 8'3". Opening width is roughly around 7'10", with a clearance of 14 feet. This is equipped with the tie-down boards and the kickboards. As you can tell, it's very spacious. Now let's take a look inside the vehicle itself. This is what the cabin's looking like. It's very clean. These are all the modes. So we have Bluetooth, we have the radio, FM, AM. Obviously we have a couple of our charger plugins, as you can tell. It's very spacious. Let's turn this vehicle on. As you can tell, this vehicle has 196,521 miles. This truck has heated side mirrors. And it also has the driver's side air seat. So what that does is it basically lifts the seat up and down. A little bit more about this vehicle itself. It has a 70-gallon tank. The engine is a 6.7-liter Cummins ISB I6. Has roughly around 200 to 325 horsepower. Obviously, this is a diesel vehicle. Honestly, really beautiful. Very, very nice. And that will wrap it up for today's 2020 International MV607. If you'd like some more information about this vehicle, I'll leave our phone number in the description below. Feel free to call us or text us. We're more than happy to help. Our sales team is awesome people. I'll leave a link to our website below. Feel free to check that out. That is also going to have more information on the warranty that comes with every vehicle we sell. That's our way of guaranteeing quality to our customers. I'll also make sure to leave a little info snippet down below. Feel free to check that out. That's going to have everything that I talked about written down for you guys. All right, well, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.